Hello everyone. This is our second session of lesson number 5, acids, bases and salts. So in previous session we have learned that what are the acids and what are the bases. Then we have learned different properties of acids and bases. Now in this session we are going to learn the natural indicators. Okay. Then what is a pH? And what are the effects of that natural indicators on different solutions. Okay. So these things we are going to learn in this session. So first write the aim to check whether a substance is acidic or basic using natural indicators. Okay. We can say that the acid means the sarin test and the basic means bittering test. But we cannot take test of all substances, and that's why we are using some things or some other substances that known as indicators. Okay, understood what are the indicators? The chemical substances that we are using to check the substance is acidic or basic. Okay, so in natural indicators, three types of natural indicators we are going to learn. The first one is turmeric solution. Actually in your textbook first one is litmus, but litmus indicators that there are so many tests are there. So first we will start with turmeric solution, then we will learn China rose indicator, and third one we will learn about litmus. Okay, so one by one we will learn in detail about natural indicators and then we will do our test. Understood? Completed the aim, then write the keywords of this session: indicators, turmeric, China rose and litmus. Okay. See, I have written here some points. What is an indicator that we are going to learn. Then the examples of indicators and our test. Okay. So indicators I have told that the substances we are using to check whether the test means whether that solution is acidic or in basic nature. Okay. So first we will start with turmeric. But before that I want to tell you something about pH. Okay. Why we are using indicators? We are using indicators to check the pH of that substance. Now what is the pH? So pH means potential of hydrogen. Okay. We have learned that in acidic substances and in basic substances, oxygen and hydrogen elements are there. Okay. So pH means what? We are actually checking the concentration of hydrogen ions. Okay. H plus. Okay. Hydrogen ions we are checking, and according to that we are identifying the substance is acidic or basic. So understood about the pH. Okay. Then what is a pH scale? Okay. So actually what we are checking in pH? We are checking the hydrogen ions concentration. But in pH scale there are numbers from 1 to 14. And there are three parts. Okay, this one part, that one part and this one part. So three parts are there on pH scale. If the solution showing the pH, okay, below 7, so that solution we can say acidic solution. If the solution is showing 7 number, means 7 pH, then we can say that the solution is neutral, means not acidic, not basic. Okay, so neutral, balance is there. And if the solution is showing the pH above 7, okay, means 8, 9, 10, you can say as a basic. Understood about pH and pH scale? In next class, we will see that about pH and pH scale in detail. But for you, now this kind of information is enough for you, okay, about pH and pH scale. So 1 to 6, pH means solution is acidic. If pH is 7, solution is neutral. And if the pH is 8 to 14, so the solution is basic. Understood pH and pH scale? Now we will start our first natural indicator, that is turmeric. Now natural indicator means what? We are not making that solution or that indicator in laboratory. Naturally present things we are using and making that indicators. Okay. So turmeric solution means what? We are taking dried turmeric powder and then we are adding that in water and making our turmeric solution. Whatever the tests are there, that we will see through one experiment or our activity. Okay. You can see here I have already made turmeric solution. Okay. Here I have used turmeric powder and water to make the turmeric solution. We can use turmeric paper also for this test. Okay. Why we are using the turmeric indicator? To check the test or the solutions are acidic or basic. So here I have made the solution of turmeric, you can see. Okay. If you want to use a turmeric paper, okay, what you have to do? Take white paper, dip in that solution and then dry that paper, cut that papers and use as a turmeric papers indicators. Okay. Here I have used, means we will use turmeric solution. Okay, not turmeric paper. If the turmeric solution changes to red, then we can say that the solution is basic. And if there is no change, we can say that the solution is either acidic or neutral. Understood? In detail we will see. I have taken 6 test tubes. Okay, and here I have already added turmeric solution, you can say that. Now one by one we will add some other solutions on these indicators in this test tube and then we will see the effect on turmeric solution. So in your textbook, page number 52, table 5.3, okay, page number 52, table 5.3, see, solutions are given: lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, milk of magnesia, baking soda, lime water, sugar and common salt. But I have taken 6 solutions because orange juice and milk of magnesia solutions are not available. That's why I have taken lemon, then vinegar, baking soda solution. Okay, I have mixed baking soda in distilled water, then lime water. This is sugar solution where I have mixed sugar in distilled water, and this is salt solution. Now one by one we will add all this solution in turmeric solution in this test tube. So first I will start with lemon. Now I will add lemon juice, few drops of lemon juice in turmeric solution. Can you see any change? No, there is no change in lemon juice. Now how can we say that? What we can say that about this? Lemon is acidic or basic? If there is no change, then the solution is either acidic or neutral. So this is either acidic or neutral in nature. Now we will see about vinegar. Okay, just mix that vinegar solution. Now add that vinegar solution. Any change? No. There is also no change in the yellow color. Means what? The vinegar is either acidic or neutral. Then I have taken here baking soda. I will take baking soda. This is turmeric solution. Baking soda. Now I will add. Can you see the change? See that two test tubes and this test tube. When I add baking soda in turmeric solution, yellow color changes into red. Means what? Your baking soda in which nature? Acidic or basic? Yes, baking soda is basic in nature. See again turmeric solution. Now I will add lime water. Again there is change. Yellow color of turmeric solution changes into red. Means what? Lime water is in basic nature. Now I will take sugar solution. See, there is no change. Means sugar solution is either acidic or neutral. Now I will add common salt solution in the turmeric solution. See, again there is no change. Means your common salt is also either acidic or neutral. You can see all test tubes. See the lemon, vinegar, baking soda, lime water, sugar and salt. So among that only two test tubes showing changes, that are baking soda and lime water. So you can say that baking soda and lime water both are basic in nature and remaining all are acidic or neutral in nature. Now we will fill our table and then further discuss about this. Understood all the tests that we have done? Now this table you have to write in your notebook. Okay. Further I will give instruction about the practical notebook. Now you have to write the table in your science notebook. Okay. See the lemon juice, any change? No. So write here no change. So in the remark you have to write the solution is acidic, neutral or basic. If there is no change, see I have written here, if yellow color, there is any no change, okay. So that solution is either acidic or neutral. And if the yellow turns to red, the solution is basic in nature, okay. So before writing the table, please write this note. Understood? Then only you can fill the table easily. Lemon juice, no change means what? In remark, yes, either acidic or neutral. What about vinegar? In vinegar also, no change. So here also acidic and neutral. Then milk of magnesia. Okay, I have not taken the milk of magnesia test as per the availability. Okay, so milk of magnesia in this yellow color changes to red. Okay, if milk of magnesia is available, then we will do that test. So if the yellow color changes to red, means the nature is very good, basic. Then what about baking soda? What about baking soda? Yes, here also yellow color changes to red. So the nature is basic. Lime water? Yes, yellow to red. So here also nature is basic. Sugar and common salt. What is the observation? Yes, there is no change in both solution. So both are in acidic or neutral in nature. So understood about the turmeric as a natural indicator. Understood what we have learned in this session? We have learned, first thing we have learned about the indicators. What are the indicators? So indicators are the substances that we are using to check the solution is acidic, basic, okay, means nature. We are finding the nature with the help of indicators. Then we have learned 3 examples of natural indicators, that are turmeric, China rose and litmus. Then we have learned about pH and pH scale. pH means what? Potential of hydrogen, and pH scale means what? 1 to 6 pH is there, then acidic solution, 7 neutral, and 8 to 14 basic. Then we have done activity of turmeric solution using different test solution. Then we have done this observation table. So I hope that you have learned about the turmeric solution. Next we will learn about China rose. Understood? Now we will see China rose indicator. Okay. So the procedure of making China rose indicator that already mentioned in your textbook page number 52 and 53. So what you have to do? You have to collect some China rose petals. Okay. Then that petals you have to add in warm water and you have to stir that solution. So after that you will get this kind of solution. So this is China rose indicator, which is light pink in color. Okay, you can see here China rose indicator. Understood the procedure? Remove the petals from China rose, then add that petals in warm water and wait. Before that means you have to stir that solution. Okay, then only you will get the colored solution. Now when the China rose indicator, which is originally light pink in color, but after adding many test solutions, if the light pink color changes to dark pink, okay, means magenta color, means purple like shade is there. Okay, light pink changes to dark pink or magenta, then you can say that the solution is in acidic in nature. And what about basic? If light pink color is converted or changes into green color, then you can say that the solution is in basic. Okay. So now we will see that result through activity. Already I have done this kind of experiment. Means first I have put China rose indicator in this test tube. Then I have added these solutions, means shampoo solution, then lemon juice, baking soda solution, vinegar, sugar solution and common salt solution. So after adding indicator and that test solution, I have got this kind of result. Can you see the changes? See the China rose indicator, okay, that I have taken in test tube. You can see. Now we will see the changes. See, this is shampoo. Okay, when I have added China rose indicator, you can see that light pink is converted into or changes into green color. Okay, then your lemon. Again you can see the change. Light pink is changes to dark pink in case of lemon. Then baking soda. Light pink changes to green color. Then vinegar, you can see here, the vinegar is in dark pink color, means your magenta color. Now see the sugar solution, okay, there is no change. And here there is no change. Now we will go towards our observation table, that you have already observed this result. Now we will fill our observation table, okay. As we have observed that the initial color of China rose indicator is in light pink, okay. China rose indicator is in light pink color. Now here you have to write the final color and then you have to check that which one is acidic and which one is a basic, okay. In your textbook, initial color and final color columns are there, but while writing in notebook, you have to add here remark. Understood? Yes. Now shampoo, you can see here shampoo which is in green color. Then lemon juice, you can see here, which is in magenta color. Then soda water. Actually, I don't have soda water, but here I have result. Okay, when soda water, we are adding China rose indicator, that changes to green color. Understood? Next one is sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is your baking soda solution. So you can see that is in green color. Next one, vinegar. You can see here that is in magenta. Next, sugar solution and common salt. There is no change. So don't write here. Means the light pink, the result is same. Okay. So don't write here. Now we will go towards our remark. Remark that we have to write only about changes. Okay. So don't write the remark of sugar solution and common salt. Write the remark of these 5 test solutions. If the shampoo is in green color, then the nature of that solution is acidic or basic? Yes, it is basic in nature. That we have learned there. Next, lemon juice, which is magenta in color. So the nature is acidic. Next, green. Soda water changes to green color. That is also basic in nature. Sodium bicarbonate, that also in green color, right here basic. Vinegar, magenta, right here acidic. Okay, so whatever the green color solutions are there, they are in basic nature, and magenta color solution are acidic in nature. Understood? Both indicators, turmeric solution as an indicator and China rose as an indicator. So here we have completed our second session. One another indicator is remaining, that is litmus. So that litmus and neutralization process we will learn in our next session. Okay. Now we will revise all the things that we have learned in this session. First we have learned about indicators. Then what are the indicators, means which are the indicators. Okay. Then we have learned about pH and pH scale. Then we have observed the test of turmeric solution and China rose indicators. Understood? I hope that you have understand all the things. Whatever observations are there or this kind of conversion is there, that we have to keep in your mind. Understood? Still, stay home, stay safe, and thank you.